Struggling to organize your ideas or boost productivity? Don't worry, I've got you. Today, we're checking out MyMap AI, a tool that generates mind maps, makes brainstorming super easy. Plus, I'll reveal an exclusive discount so you can save big. And we will also find out, is it really worth it? So let's start the video. First of all, what is MyMap AI? Answer is MyMap AI is an AI-powered mind mapping and brainstorming tool that helps users create dynamic, structured, and visually appealing mind maps in seconds. Whether you're a student, professional, or entrepreneur, this tool makes organizing ideas effortless. Let's look out the key features. First, AI-generated mind maps to structure ideas instantly. Second, drag and drop editing for easy customization. Third, real-time collaboration for seamless teamwork. Fourth, cloud storage integration to access your maps anywhere. Fifth, AI-powered suggestions for better brainstorming. So there is a question, does it really work? Our test results. We put MyMap AI to the test by creating a mind map for a complex project. In just seconds, it structured our ideas into a clear and organized format. Compared to traditional manual mapping, this saved us over 60% of the time. We have founded MyMap AI pros and some cons. AI-generated mind maps save time, user-friendly interface with easy customization. Great for students, marketers, and professionals on other side. Free version has limited features. AI suggestions may need manual adjustments. So let's talk about the discount. See if you're considering MyMap AI. Here's how you can save up to 30% on your subscription. There's a special limited time discount for new users. It is not fixed. So check the discount link in the description to claim your offer. So let's see their current plans. Basic features. $1 for first 3 days, then $20 per month build monthly Team Pro. $5 for first 3 days, then $25 per month build monthly. So is MyMap AI worth it? If you need a powerful AI-driven tool for brainstorming, project planning, and organizing ideas, then MyMap AI is definitely worth trying. And with the exclusive discount available right now, it's an even better deal. So our rating is 8.7 out of 10. Go grab the best discount now. Link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.